Hi, I'm Adam, the founder of Mad Adventure Products. I've had a lot of requests out there to demonstrate how you install our Pannier kit to the Yamaha Tenere T700. So today I will show you how to do that. The Mad Adventure Products full Pannier kit comprises of 2 aluminium thick plates, which are laser cut for each side of the bike, and a rear tail plate, which is also made of lightweight aluminium. The kit also includes high quality mounting hardware to enable easy fitment of the kit to the bike with no modification required. You will need these basic tools: a 13mm ring spanner, a T40 torque bit to take off the existing old Yamaha mounting points. You'll need a 5mm Allen key, a 6mm Allen key, or if you have one, a 6mm socket Allen key, and a 10mm spanner or a socket. Pannier kit also comes with a set of instructions which tell you how the kit goes together if you don't watch this video. With all the stainless steel hardware that comes in the kit, make sure you put a little bit of grease on all the threads. They are nylock nuts, but it's good practice to stop the stainless steel binding. It's just to have a little bit of grease on each of the threads. Ready to get dirty? Let's fit this kit. To fit the Mad Adventure Pannier kit, you will need to remove the 2 standard strap points of the Yamaha and also remove the Pannier footrest. So let's remove those. So you need your T40 torque bit to remove that. So 1 and 2. Obviously I've already cracked those. This is where you'll need the 6mm Allen key. The easiest way to fit each of the pannier plates to the side of the bike is to pre-assemble them. Put the long bolt through the mounting hole, the small 20mm spacer, the rail, and then the longer 40mm spacer. If you do that on both sides, you can easily hold the pannier plate in this position to put it onto the bike. Now that you've assembled one of the pannier plates for the right hand side, like this, as we talked about, we will now fit it to the frame, like so. Just fit these lightly at this stage. They don't have to be tightened. Everything to be fitted loose. And then repeat the same step on the left hand side of the bike. On the right hand side of the bike, you'll notice that it's stamped right hand side, because this is the right hand side bracket that goes between the footrest and the frame, which will mount like this. And on the opposite side, underneath the bolt, will go a set of spacers. So let's mount that up. This Mad Adventure Pannier kit will only probably take about 25 minutes to fit. So once you've got the bracket on the footrest, you can mount the bolt, which goes into the plate, as so. Make sure you use the large washer on the outside here. It'll give a good flush finish and a good support on the bracket. There are 2 identical rear brackets that go on in underneath the mudguard, and they go like this, and we include the longer 6mm bolt instead of the original bolt to give it extra thread engagement, and that bolts on in underneath the guard where the existing mount holes are. And this mounts in underneath the guard as so and supports the plate. The small plate bracket also mounts on the left hand side of the bike like so, with the supplied extra longer bolt, so it has a larger thread engagement. Now that you've got the right hand, left hand pannier plates on and the 2 supporting brackets underneath the footrest, now it's time to put on the rear plate. Now that you've left that all loose, it's easily just to fit this rear plate on. You can line the holes up. This is why we keep everything loose, so you can line the holes up quite easily. Now that you've mounted the whole Mad Adventure Pannier kit to the bike, it's time to tighten all the bolts up. Now you don't want to over tighten the 2 main bolts that go into the frame for the top of the rail here, because you will crush the rail tube aluminium. Now that you've tightened the top 2 rail bolts, we can go ahead and tighten the rest of the bolts. Just take your time, don't over tighten them because you will strip them. They're only small bolts. That's all you need. These pannier kits are available in the full kit, so you get the whole 2 pannier plates and the rear rack. But you can also get them in different configurations. So you can actually just buy the rails separately with the rear rack as a kit, or you can buy just the pannier plates on their own. So it's up to you to mix and match how you want to do that. But, you know, this obviously is the best fit of the kit as a one whole unit, but you know, everyone has their different tastes and different products they want to use on their bike. Pannier plates are slim fitting and are within the footprint of the bike, which creates a better rider feel and balance. The pannier plates have been chamfered on all of the edges to reduce chafing of straps and sharp edges. The pannier kit is also lightweight aluminium constructed, will not interfere with the pillion rider passenger's legs. The Mad Adventure Canvas pannier bag is a canvas 15-ounce water resistant bag that interconnects with the Mad Adventure products pannier plates. They have a flexible carrying capacity of 15 litres to 20 litres per bag and incorporate a stainless steel D-ring for securing. The bags interconnect between a Velcro strap. Okay, now that you've fitted the pannier plates, they look awesome. Look how durable and solid these things are. They're going to protect your bike. I hope you enjoy them just as much as I do on those trails. Thanks for supporting Mad Adventure products.